Are you a student and you find it difficult to use the graphical method to solve simultaneous equations? This video is for you. In the past couple of days, we've been using the elimination and the substitution method to solve simultaneous equation. In today's video, we're going to use the graphical method. In your exams, in most cases, you are given the range of x so that you can plot your graph. But in some other cases, the range of x is not given. So what you have to use is the equation of a line, which is given as y equals mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the intercept. So how do you use equation of a line to solve simultaneous equations? What you have to do is to write the equations in form of equation of a line. So we're going to write these two equations in this form so that we can plot our graph. So we'll start with the first equation from equation 1. Okay, let me number our equation. From 1, we have 2y plus 3x equals 8. So all you have to do is to make y the subject of formula. So we'll be having 2y equals minus 3x plus 8. So divide through by 2. Dividing through by 2, we'll be having y is equal to minus 3 over 2x plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So from here, our slope m is equal to minus 3 over 2 and our intercept c is equal to 4. Before we plot our graph, let's solve the second equation too. So from equation 2, we have y minus 2x equals minus 3. So we'll make y the subject of formula. We're having y is equals to 2x minus 3. So from here, this can be written as y is equal to 2 over 1x minus 3. So our slope here is equal to 2 over 1. And our intercept c is equal to minus 3. So now let's go ahead and plot our graph. Alright, so here is our graph. Remember, this is what we have for equation 1 and this is what we have for equation 2. And whenever you are plotting a linear graph, always remember that it is a straight line. So if you're plotting any graph and it's giving you a curve or a circle, just know that you are doing the wrong thing. So a linear equation will produce a straight line graph. So let's start with the first equation. Here the intercept is 4 and the slope is minus 3 over 2. So this intercept will mark it on the positive y axis. So this is 4. And now this is the slope minus 3 over 2. Remember that our slope m is given as change in y over change in x. It means, remember, change in y is minus 3 and change in x is 2. So from the point of intercept 4, we'll move downward 3 times. Let's change in y, because it's negative, we'll move downward. If it was positive, we'll move upward. And the change in x is positive, so we'll move to the right. If it was negative, we'll move to the left. So now we're going to move downwards 3 times. That's minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll move to the right 2 times. 1, 2. We'll continue that process. Move downward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll move to the right 2 times. 1, 2. So these are the points. This is where we'll concentrate here. So we'll draw a straight line here. Alright, now we've gotten the line for the first equation. Now we'll go to the second equation. In the second equation, the intercept is minus 3. So we're going to mark minus 3 on the y-axis. This is minus 3. Now, the slope for this equation is 2 over 1. Change in y is 2, change in x is 1. So since this change in y is positive, we'll be moving upward 2 times and we'll move 1 time to the right. So from this point of intercept here, we're going to move 2 times upward. 1, 2. Then we move 1 time to the right. 1. So mark out this point. We'll continue that process again. We'll move up 2 times. 1, 2. We'll move to the right 1 time. And you can see there's an intersection here. Okay, we'll continue that process again. We'll move up 1, 2 times to the right 1 time. So these are the 3 points we're having. So we'll roll our line again. Alright, now we have gotten the 2 lines for our equations. So how can you get your value of x and your value of y? To do that, you have to concentrate on this point where the 2 lines meet. So from here, you're going to trace down to the x-axis and trace also to the y-axis. So whatever value you get will be your value for x and y. So from this point, tracing down, the value we have for x is 2. So our x is equal to 2. Then from this point again, we trace to the y-axis. The value we have is 1. So our y is equal to 1.